which was urged on behalf of the petitioner is based on a decision of the Supreme Court in Harinder versus International Assets Reconstruction Company Limited and others 3 stop. The issues which came up before the Supreme Court for decision were whether the provisions of the Act affect the right of a lessee to remain in possession of a secured asset during the period of a lease stop, whether the provisions of the Act have the effect of a terminating a valid lease made by a borrower or mortgager in accordance with the provisions of the Transfer of Property Act stop, whether Section 14 confers a power on the district magistrate to assist a secured creditor in taking possession of the secured asset which is in lawful possession of a lessee under a valid lease, and what are the remedies which are available to a lessee where he is threatened to be dispossessed by action taken by a secured creditor under Section 13 stop passes. All these questions related to the right of a lessee under a valid lease stop. The petitioner admittedly is not a lessee stop. The position of the petitioner is that of a co-borrower who has created a security interest in favor of the secured creditor stop. For these reasons, we have come to the conclusion that there is no merit in the challenge which has been preferred by the petitioner to the order of the district magistrate stop. No other submission has been urged stop. The petition is accordingly dismissed stop. There shall be no order as to costs stop. Appellants in the same incident, which were neither insignificant nor manufactured, and therefore they had tried to suppress the genesis of the incident, or at least they are not telling the whole truth stop. In either case, it is hazardous to place any reliance on their testimonies and dub them as wholly truthful witness stop. Beyond a period of 4 years after the expiry of the relevant assessment year, there should have been a failure on the part of the assessee to disclose fully and truly all material facts necessary for the assessment for that assessment year.